Welcome to Nobu Las Vegas and the lovely Hakone Suite. And we just checked in and we'd like to give you a little tour of Nobu, or our beautiful suite at Nobu. Just for a little bit of reference, the Nobu Tower opened approximately 2013. Obviously now that we're in 2025, the rooms needed a little bit of a refresh. So these suites have been refreshed within the last year, which is really, really nice. It's a lovely, lovely suite, which of course, gotta pimp it, can be booked with Travelzark Travel. And the suite ranges from approximately $750 to $1,500 a night, somewhere in there. But you know, very, very variable because it's Caesars. Also, if you're a Caesars rewards person, sometimes you do get these suites at a very big discount for being a Caesars rewards member. So definitely check that out online and or your host that you book with, and I can recommend some people for that too. So we start with a lovely guest bathroom. And it's really pretty. I love the sink. It seems like you could like bathe a baby in there. It's really cool. I've never seen a sink that deep. I just like to always point out things like toiletries. And there's a detox body balm, rosemary and white tea for Nobu Hotels. And you'll see right next to it, we have a beautiful wet bar with a refrigerator, really large refrigerator, quite notable. So it's a mini bar refrigerator, but you also have lots of personal space. Also, there's a Keurig, coffee, and additional items that are mini bar items. And look at how nice this mini bar item stuff is too. So really cool mini bar. Glassware with the suite. So this is a beautiful, beautiful living room. And you'll notice it has a full dining area. Really nice space for entertaining. And I really would like to point out this bar. This rough wood kind of natural bar. And also the lights. Really, really good stuff. And Movestro was also talking about the artwork. And what was this about the carpet?
So what they've done over here is they have a 3-panel piece that's Japanese art inspired, and of course it blends in with the colors of the carpet, particularly the beige, and you'll notice that they also blended into the colors of the wall as well. It's always nice when a hotel does something like that with their artwork. Over here, what I really enjoyed is the fact that they have so many of these cherry blossoms going on. Once again, you know, it's Nobu, so it's Japan, and they tie a lot of their art into the room as well, and you see there's cherry blossoms here and over there, and just something that just really like is bespoke of Japan. One of the most beautiful things in nature, of course, being their cherry blossoms, which are famous worldwide.
Yeah, and lots of cool details in this room, like the side table, the little round tables. It's pretty cool. I think they should possibly have, I think we need some statues or artwork, but you were also mentioning, and I'll close the door there, the artwork behind the bar is really quite nice.
Once again, more with the Japanese art. You know, and it's again, you know, remember it's Nobu. It's going to be different from Caesar's Palace in that, you know, there is a Japanese theme. It was, you know, founded by Chef Nobu as well as Robert De Niro and this producer, I forget his name right now, but they really put a lot of fine detail into these suites.
Yeah, really, really nice. And we're going to move now into the bedroom. So this is a full 1-bedroom suite. So there is a full separate bedroom, which is really, really cool. You know, so it's not like one of those like half bedrooms. And I love, we're probably planning tonight to do just in-room dining to see the way it is. And look at this dining table. So it's Nobu in-room dining. And as we enter into the bedroom almost has like a suite setup, which is cool. Very, very cool. And it has a great chair. And I want to bring up the Nobu Hotel dining. So we're going to do a dine-in, and they have a full, we hear it's regular menu. And if you look at it, you've got a regular Nobu menu here, which is really quite impressive. Champagne and wine selections. So we're really looking forward to doing like proper in-room dining. And it's a really good point, except for villas at Caesars, there is not proper in-room dining anymore, as far as I know, correct, Silvestro?
As I understand it, they have something called Caesar's Eats. However, your food is not delivered to you. And an in-room dining style is more given to you in, more in the style of, say, Uber Eats. Once again, look at more of this art on the wall here. And every light in the room is dimmable. Even this one here, you'll notice that there's a dimmer down there. And all the lights that we've passed by in other rooms also have dimmers on them.
Look at that view.
And it's a very nice view. You get Flamingo over there. You get Horseshoe. You get a bit of Paris. You get Harrah's across the street.
It was an iconic
The
Caesars
Venetian Wynn Encore, and even Treasure Island. And Resorts World as well.
What I would say, when you talk about a strip view, what's nice about this is it's a very upfront, personal, intimate strip view. It feels like you're very close to the strip.
Yes.
Whereas when you're at Wynn and you have a strip view, it's very far removed, and I think that's quite special. Also, this was one of the first towers at Caesars, and you can see the original architecture. I do believe that this was a lanai or terrace out here. It's a shame that you can't go out here anymore, because honestly, if I was able to sit out there, I would sit out there with a cigar and just soak in that view. It's so beautiful. But I feel, especially for someone who doesn't come to Vegas often, like you're very upfront and personal with Vegas right now.
Yes.
So we're now entering the Hakone Suite bathroom. And this bathroom is a stunner, I'll tell you. This is some impressive bathroom. Not only do you have the beautiful Nobu branded robes, which have a beautiful soaking tub here with Nobu amenities. I'd like to point out that you have also a beautiful large shower, and check out those amenities in there. So no big, beautiful individual Nobu amenities.
And it's got a bench.
It's a bench.
Gotta love having a bench.
A bench, that's right. And look at this shower. But the shower is even more special. You know why?
Why is that?
Because this is a Mr. Steam shower. So you have an actual steam shower here, which is super duper cool. And a really good, right off the bathroom, so convenient. A beautiful walk-in closet, excellent closet, more robes, a valet, a safe, because they're assuming you've got a lot of stuff for this. I love the idea of these big safes. A steamer.
Complimentary slippers and sandals.
And sandals, that's right. And look, very important, I love these.
Gotta have a shoehorn.
I love these shoehorns that are all wood. This is glazed really, really nice. And a brush and a umbrella. Ooh.
And yoga mat?
Yoga mat.
All right.
And once again, look at these beautiful sinks. His and her sinks. You have to have his or her sinks, because a his should never share a sink with a her, or his should never share a sink with a his, and a her should never share a sink with a her. And I can't go any further than that. but basically, these rooms are designed for two people, and each person should have their own sink. And I want to just talk about the amenities again. You've got a night cream here. You've got a makeup remover. You've got a detox body balm. Dental kits, 2 of them, shaving kit, vanity kit, proper glassware, beautiful soap. So the amenities they're doing a really, really good job with. Once again, nice artwork. A little bit minimalist, but it should be minimalist. And now we enter the most important place, the throne room, where the throne opens by itself because it was closed. Complete controls, complete Japanese toilet, Japanese style, like they usually call them Toto toilets. But look at these controls. This thing does everything. Like if I push that button right now, it would squirt Movestro in the face with water, but we won't do that. But anyway, this is so exciting. Honestly, these toilets are life-changing. And guarantee that you will have the cleanest tuchus in the entire universe if you use this toilet. But I love the way you walk in and the toilet enters. But these toilets are amazing. Once you have a really nice big toilet room, also very important, and that's the way most luxury hotels are today, you need a toilet room. Because obviously your partner, you want to go in here, you want to have your tuchus time, that's for you. So that's pretty much so the suite. This bathroom is amazing and the floors are absolutely incredible. And it is nice to be in the bedroom and be able to hang out in your bedroom. And they also have a Nobu magazine. TV's there. I have a feeling that TV probably also comes out and rotates a little bit. This is a Caesar's Palace Nobu Hotel in Las Vegas. And I think this is an absolutely lovely suite. And I think these renovations were absolutely tops. So I would highly recommend this. There is also an additional larger suite than this, which is called a sake suite. And maybe we'll talk about one of those on the Yo11 podcast. But this is a really great suite in Vegas, and I'm really quite impressed. And also you get the exclusiveness of the Nobu Hotel, proper room service, cocktail hour every day. It's nice, really, really nice.